For the past few years, we have seen many cars on market, but today we are only going to discuss about 3 cars which has surpassed other motor vehicles on market. And these cars are Toyota Noah, Mazda CX-5 and Subaru Forester. Why is Toyota Noah trending? Why is everyone now buying Mazda CX-5 all of a sudden? And why Subaru Forester has gained, the momentum and the love of Ugandans? Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is another episode of our car reviews with your guy Charles here at Barry Motors Uganda. I've got a lot of messages through WhatsApp and at the comment section, and many people have been asking the same question about these 3 cars. We have seen quite a number of people of different genders, different age group coming for Subaru Forester in different models, and yeah, I would say that Forester is among those cars I would state that it fought its way to the market. At first, people didn't like Subaru Forester on market, but yeah, I'm going to answer all the questions you have been writing at the comment section. So, ladies and gentlemen, before I take you through this video, please hit that subscription button and please write down there at the comment section which car should we talk about next. Let's begin with my car number 3. This will be Subaru Forester 2016. I'm going to discuss the reason why these cars are being trending on Ugandan market, and I'm also going to discuss challenges this car has got on market and people have been buying this car. The similar challenges they have been complaining about, but again, I'm also going to discuss the secret behind the success of this motor vehicle in Ugandan market. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is a Subaru Forester model 2016. I told you this is a car which has fought its way into the hearts of the Ugandans. We have seen the step and changes on this motor vehicle from way back in early 2000 to like now 2026. We have seen a lot of changes, most especially on the appearance and the performance, the improvements which Subaru has made specifically on this Forester 2016. All the models of this car used to have problems, but of which I'm going to say that the reason behind the success of these 2016-17 models in Uganda currently is that those problems were rectified on these models. And the major problem people used to face and people used to fear on Subaru cars, most especially the Forester, is the steering rack. The steering rack issue had let this Subaru Forester down, and another issue was the fuel consumption. People used to complain about the fuel consumption of Subaru cars, not only Subaru Forester but all the Subaru cars. I'm also here to say that newer improvements on the Subaru Boxer engines and then the gearbox, you will find that those challenges were rectified, and this car is now like as normal as any other SUV you can get on road. And it's the reason why everyone in Uganda now, if is thinking about buying an SUV, like the mid-range SUV of maybe 50 million to 65 million range, the first car which pops out in his mind or her mind is this Subaru Forester models of like 2016 and 17. As I said that the success behind this car is that those are things Subaru rectified on their motor vehicles. Many people coming now for this car and they are no longer facing that challenge at all. Another thing is that before, spare part was the main issue why everyone was fearing coming for such kind of a vehicle, most especially in remote areas of Uganda. But currently you will find almost everyone in Uganda, like every spare parts dealer is having the spare parts of these motor vehicles. If we talk about the price of the spare parts, they have dropped from what we used to think of to now that they have normalized on market. You'll find the spare parts of Subaru Forester and all other Subaru brands at the same rate with some Toyota cars. That's why now people are no longer thinking more of either a Toyota or any other common brand of motor vehicles they used to, but now rather they are opting for such kind of cars. And then the major success of Subaru Forester comes at the interior. You'll find the extreme luxury on it. You'll find, all the driving modes, the performance on road alone. This car is SUV fully equipped with all-wheel drive. I have been telling people about the all-wheel drive that Subaru is among those successful motor vehicle companies which managed to master that technique of all-wheel drive on their motor vehicle. If you add it with that Subaru's eyesight, you'll find the maximum performance, the safety you would desire to have on a mid-range SUV. You'll have that feel of a premium car at a low budget. Buying a car at a low budget, it doesn't mean that you are not entitled to have the premium feel of a car. With 55-60 million, you can still have that premium feel of an SUV in a Subaru Forester model 2016, model 2017. So, well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Subaru Forester for you. The car number 2 among the cars I'm discussing about today on this video is Mazda CX-5. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have seen Mazda CX-5 currently on Ugandan market for like past 2 years. There is a way how people have embraced this Mazda CX-5. Before, we used to hear people complaining about the mechanical conditions of Mazda CX-5 and the spare parts being expensive. But yeah, there is a way how Mazda designed the CX-5, most especially the models of 2017 and 18. I would say to the perfection, whereby everyone like if you have a look on it, you don't want to take off your eyes from it. And well, this is an interesting part of the Mazda CX-5. This Mazda CX-5, not only the looks, but also the performance, the Sky Active technology, the diesel part of it, that fuel consumption, like the car is so reliable to the extent that let's say if you buy this Mazda CX-5 today here at Barry Motors Uganda, it's a car you can drive for more than 3 years without facing any major issue on it. So it is one of the car which I would say that Ugandans loved it so quick. We Ugandans, we know ourselves. We are not a kind of people who just come out of excitement and we love something. But when it came to this Mazda CX-5, we really loved this car. I can tell you now that it is among the cars which are on high demand. If I talk about the high demand, you know what I'm talking about, that almost everyone who's thinking about buying an SUV car, if he doesn't think about a Subaru Forester, he thinks about Mazda CX-5. Another thing is that you'll even find that the pricing of it is a little bit higher compared to the one of a Subaru Forester, but you'll find people still go for this Mazda CX-5. The Sky Active technology on the engine of Mazda and that 2.2 diesel engine on this CX-5 also added a bit of mileage on the way people came to love this motor vehicle in particular. There's specific models of 2017, 18, and other upper models that are bold grille design. And yeah, there is also how attractive the Mazda logo feels attractive on these models of the CX-5. I can say that for the years to come, we are going to see almost in every 5 cars you come across on Kampala Ugandan roads, Mazda will be among them. And to be precise, the CX-5 will be among them. Prices have started dropping down because people just started to know about this car in Uganda. We used to sell them in prices beyond 75 million, but as we talk now, in less than 70 million, you can own yourself one of the kind, the 2017 model. I'll tell you that it is a car which is just perfect for the purpose. If you go for the highest trim models of the Mazda CX-5, you'll find that extreme leather seats, like the ones on this one, this cream leather seats on it. It's just perfect for it. The dashboard design, those AC vents, the controls and everything on this car, like the multimedia steering. Yeah, you'll find that everything is good on it. So well, ladies and gentlemen, this is Mazda CX-5 for you. And as I said that we are only discussing about 3 cars, and these are the cars which have been trending like nothing. It's like a talk of the day that almost everyone who is willing either to purchase or has a plan of buying, they will always think about such kind of a machine. This is one of the SUVs which you buy and you get all, like you get the premium luxury, you get the performance on road. You know, this is a car also which is equipped with all-wheel drive, and its fuel consumption is good. One of the few challenges I've had people complaining about the low quality of diesel engine we have on our market here in Uganda, but I'm yet to prove that. Sure, I'm yet to prove it. I've had like few or 3 people like have called me about the quality of diesel we have in the country. But yeah, there are also some big fuel stations we do know in Uganda of, I believe they bring that high quality diesel on market. Well, now topping our list is Toyota Noah. This van has taken Ugandan market for close to a decade now. I will tell you that from like 2018 to now, this has been among the top selling van here in Uganda. And its success has been gradually. Like people have liked the seating capacity, the performance, and the improvement Toyota has made on its engine. You know, when Toyota switched from VVTi to the Valvematic engine, you'll find that now the Valvematic engine of 2.0 on this van is really performing well, and people have liked it. The second thing is the maintenance cost and its ground clearance. You know, with the Toyota cars always here in Uganda, the spare parts are always available for all the Toyota brands. But if it comes to this Toyota Noah, its seating capacity has made it to trend beyond the expectation. And this van is still trending for years to come because of the families we do have in Uganda, and due to the families we do have, like extended families, you'll find that everyone is having a dream of owning a van of its kind due to its seating capacity and the comfort of like the passenger seats. You'll even find the extreme rare passenger seats still comfortable like the mid-row seats of it. So, well, ladies and gentlemen, this is a Toyota Noah for you, and this one in particular is model 2012 X grade. The X grade is among those ones we have really seen a lot, though the the SI grade is the premium grade in this cars. This one also has some similarities with the SI grade. Like it also has the spoiler similar to the one to the one you will get on a SI grade. Toyota Noah like has been increasing almost every month. I remember there's a time we sold these Noahs in the price range of 26 million, but currently we are selling them in 40 plus million. Without 40 plus million, you cannot get this Toyota Noah right now, in most especially the models of 2012, 2013 on market. So, like, the more people bought this Toyota Noah, the more that its taxes also increased. And yeah, so well, ladies and gentlemen, I assume it has been a very good discussion. And yeah, I was trying to reply the comment section. People have been asking about these 3 motor vehicles, specifically these 3 motor vehicles. So well, ladies and gentlemen, just keep watching Barry Motors Uganda. For now, we'll just say goodbye and be blessed. Goodbye.